Welcome to SL8 Home Services. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to sign up and how to enter your properties. We have worked very hard to make it easy for you to get home services in a seamless, safe, and dependable way. Signing up is simple. We have created a great app to make things convenient, but you can also call our office anytime and we can get you set up from there. For the app, simply go to your app store, whether you're on Android or Apple, and in the search bar, you type SL and the number 8. Look for our logo, download, and once you're finished downloading, open. You'll be asked for your email and to create a password. And on the following screen, you'll also be asked which payment method you prefer. Once you're completed, you will receive a text to confirm that your account is all finished. Once you log in, at the top left, you will see a menu bar. You click on that, you'll see an option called Properties. Under Properties, you'll see an option called Create New. This is where you enter all the property information. You can enter as many properties as you need. These properties can be your home, your vacation rentals, or even family or friends' homes where you can gift them services like house cleaning, carpet cleaning, and more. In the next video, we'll show you how to see the services offered in your area and how to book those services. Thank you very much. Appreciate you taking a look, and we'll talk to you soon.